Hello and welcome to another CLD preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. We're continuing with the daily CLD problems. Please pause, scroll, or mute if necessary to understand the problem, and then resume when ready. So let's begin. If you look very carefully, the decimal string to number is converting the array of string into I32 numeric array out. But the bottom input, the default value in, is configured with I8. So even though we're requesting for the I32, the default value is going to course the data into the I8 format. So if you look from the top to the bottom, the input values are minus 300, minus 1, 0, 1, and 300. But since the I8 can only range between 127 to minus 128, because it will have the total range of 256 only. So in this case, the value output is going to be answer number C. So minus 300 will be course to minus 128. 300 is going to course to 127, and rest of the value will remain the same. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for future LabVIEW videos. I'll see you next on the another CLD preparation video.